everyone. Today is January 3rd. It's 6 a.m. We're about to leave. You ready, my love? Okay, baby, coming. Taya is calling me.
Hey, little one. You're watching your cartoons. Wow.
So we're heading right now to LAX. It's almost 6 and our beautiful mama is coming. Dun, dun, dun. Let's go, my ladies. Are you ready?
You're gonna fly with airplane.
We arrived at the airport. It's almost 15 minutes to 8 a.m. We drop off the bags after waiting a long line. Mama and Taya is going up front. We're going to catch the gate right now. It's almost 8. And the check-in process is headache. Per bag it has to be maximum 50 pounds and one of our bag is 57.5. We have to transfer clothes from one to other one. I don't know how I close those bags again. She's always, each trip she's stressing out. We cannot catch it, we cannot make it. Plane is at 9. We already checked everything. Right now she's running like there's only 15 minutes left. Ay ay ay. Sleepy bird?
Apron.
Sleepy bird. And then Jonathan helped us, and then my wife told him that I'm a car guy. Had to always make a favor, just work with them. They give us 2022 Escalade, almost I can tell 30 to 40% discount. So it's a good to drive and thank you, Jonathan. Happy New Year. It's my... He gave it for us 1,065.54, almost 500 to 600. I don't remember the first one. He put it here. He gave a huge discount to us. That works.
Wow, cool. It's a really nice color. Beautiful inside.
Are we getting the new Escalade or not?
Wow, beautiful.
That's my trick, my love. For me to how to convince you to buy a new car, because if I want to upgrade car, right now you're gonna make big deal. I know, because we just upgraded for 5 months ago. So right now it's a good option to...
This guy is really smart, ass, just to let you know. Not because he's my husband, but he really is a smart ass.
Nasıl? Dıgıl dıgıl mı?
Beautiful fingers.
She's giving a big fight down here.
Kisses, please.
Ladies, this is our new house for the next 5 days. Yeah, here. Keystone Lodge and Spa. Okay guys, we arrived. We are on room 625. The location is amazing. Very close to like a center, let's say Keystone Center. And then right next to the road, like this is 6th floor, the highest floor. A bathroom, and not bad, it's clean at least. Not new, but it's clean. And then from here. Hello, I'm coming upstairs soon. There's a small coffee corner here, and then a little office, let's say. Everything is out of wood, like old style. My non-stop ringing phone. View is really nice. It's gonna be better if there's no light inside here, and then outside sunny. And then let's go upstairs, see what's there upstairs. Wow. Ladies, hello ladies. Wow. It's worth to pay this much to wake up in this or go to sleep in this view, huh?
100%. Look how beautiful. Can you imagine tomorrow morning? Best friends!
Bravo!
Mama. Dă pupă lui Nica. Ceva. Hai că faci frumos.
Snowstorm started today morning around 9, and then we get out all together for breakfast.
Finally.
Yes, finally Kristina gets ready and then we can leave.
Excuse me?
And we're gonna get a cupcake for Taya.
Yes,
Her
we're
birthday.
gonna get for her birthday. Taya, are you ready?
Yeah.
Birthday girl! We eat bagel and coffee. Birthday girl is drinking your milkish. Mommy's having more enjoy than you.
Nosik! La 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 la! Your friend is crying there.
Buffalo Lodge. It's so cool, huh? Look at this entrance.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. The sun will shine, the flowers bloom, the birds will sing a song for you. Happy birthday to you.
Heading back from Taya's birthday lunch, let's say. Right now going to the car on the heavy snow. The good part that I like about this car, you can run the car from a little bit far, let's say distance of remote control. I told exactly the same thing. You was asking for snow. Here's a snowstorm.
Ask guys whatever you want from me, I'm gonna wish you and you will have it.
Mission accomplished. You did a great job, car. You deserve each penny. Look at this. I just did it like under almost 5 fingers. Like I was looking for plates. Hi, Mom, huh? Look at this. Like the snowmobiles that opening the roads. That finger goes inside.